Tesla has just bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Yes, this is really happening. No, this is not clickbait. This is real. The markets are pumping like crazy right now. Everything is hitting a new all-time high. Bitcoin's hit a new all-time high. Ethereum's hit a new all-time high. Polkadot hit a new all-time high. Tons of coins just pumping double digits right now. It's totally crazily bullish. It's super exciting. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the bell to catch all of the videos. By the way, guys, if you are trading this market right now with all this crazy bullish action going on, then you should absolutely check out Femex. They still have that crazy promotion for the $750 Bitcoin bonus. So you get $150 in kind of regular sign-up bonuses plus a $600 separate sign-up bonus that you can get for a Bitcoin trading bonus. It's one of the top exchanges for trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, all the other stuff. So click on the link down below. And of course, you also get your 10% discount on your fees if you use that link to sign up. So guys, this is totally freaking crazy stuff. It's absolutely wild. I mean, this has been the speculation ever since Elon Musk tweeted about, Bitcoin, and now it's official. It's official. According to a recent SEC filing that was just, of course, leaked online a few minutes ago, Tesla has purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now, we don't know exactly what price Tesla acquired this Bitcoin at or exactly how many Bitcoin they got, but we do know from the SEC filing that they bought after updating their investment policy in January. So my suspicion is this happened right around the time that Elon first tweeted about Bitcoin. Now that would mean they probably bought in for somewhere in the area of like $30,000 to $32,000 per Bitcoin, potentially giving Tesla around 40,000 Bitcoin. Now we don't have a confirmation on exactly how much Bitcoin they bought yet, but that's just some quick math for you of how much they could have bought. $1.5 billion, that buys a lot of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin, man, that was cool. And it really actually set things in motion for other companies to kind of come in, add Bitcoin to their strategic reserves, and pave that pathway for other companies to buy Bitcoin. In fact, my suspicion is that Michael Saylor probably had something to do with this Tesla purchase, since she was talking to Elon Musk on Twitter saying, hey man, I can help you buy Bitcoin. Maybe he did. Massive social proofing here for Bitcoin. Tesla, making this big purchase. That's one of the most popular tech companies in the world, with one of the most loyal and enthusiastic fan bases. Not that we needed more social proofing from a big company like Tesla, but hey man, let's take it. I'll take that. That sounds great. Now the question for other companies that don't have Bitcoin right now, is how can they justify not having Bitcoin on their balance sheets when Tesla does, when we see so many big investors and so many companies coming into the market right now. I expect we're going to see some serious corporate FOMO kicking off over the next few weeks and months. There's so many corporations out there sitting on billions and billions of cash, that melting ice cube of fiat. Tesla has unleashed the bull in a serious way here. Another bullish angle to the story too is that Tesla said that they will be accepting Bitcoin in exchange for their products in the near future, and that they will likely keep any Bitcoin acquired from such sales. Genius. That's the way to get it, man. Earn that Bitcoin. The question now becomes, has Elon himself bought Bitcoin? And I think the answer to that is more than likely yes. Again, that's something we can hear about, when he does announce that at some point in the future. But wow, imagine not having Bitcoin right now. The richest man in the world, his company, Tesla, just added $1.5 billion of Bitcoin to their balance sheet. You have all these top entrepreneurs like Chamath Palihapitiya and Jack Dorsey. You have top investors like Paul Tudor Jones and Bill Miller. And we have companies like MicroStrategy and Square, all buying Bitcoin. Some of the smartest and most successful people in the world believe in Bitcoin. They're into Bitcoin. It's absolutely incredible. Now, in response to the news that Tesla bought Bitcoin, we're getting the mother of all pumps in the market right now. At this rate, we could see Bitcoin hitting $50,000 much sooner than expected. What a crazy day for the markets. The CME futures did not crash the markets as some people were kind of fearing. There was no new bear market, obviously, that came into play. And then later in the day, after Elon Musk was done pumping Dogecoin relentlessly, they just dropped this casual bombshell that Tesla bought $1.5 billion of the Bitcoin. You notice Tesla did not buy $1.5 billion of the Dogecoin. They bought Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys, that's where the game is. Not many people can move the price of Bitcoin by $4,000 in a few minutes, but Elon Musk can. That's power, man. That is power. And you know what's even crazier? This new price high, all this exciting news that's going on, it's still just the beginning for this bull run. I know that sounds crazy, but 6-digit Bitcoin is coming. Come on, this news story today, 6-digit Bitcoin is definitely happening, guys. With news like this, it's probably going to happen a lot sooner than most people expect, which is incredibly exciting. It seems that our consolidation period has indeed ended. Sooner than I anticipated, but hey, I'm fine with that. Let's pump it, guys. Let's pump it. But man, it did feel good getting to stack some Bitcoin under $40,000. In a bull market, you have to take advantage of those consolidation periods. They come, they happen, you have to buy during those periods. Now Bitcoin is back to that point where anyone who ever bought Bitcoin, they are in profit. We're only 6 weeks into 2021 and all this stuff has happened already. Just imagine how insane the rest of the year is going to be if this is happening now. Anyway, your question for today: what company do you think is going to announce their Bitcoin purchase next? Is it going to be Apple or Microsoft or some other big company? Maybe PayPal's finally going to come out and say, hey, we're going to put $1 billion of our cash into Bitcoin as well. Curious to see who it's going to be and curious to know your opinion on who you think it's going to be. Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.